Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a three-way call on your iPhone. This feature is called conference call and it lets you talk to multiple people at the same time. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your phone application and then simply call the first person you want to speak with. And just like that, wait until they answer. So once the first call is connected, simply tap on the three-dot icon and then simply select Add People. Just like that, your iPhone will place the first person on hold while you dial the second number. You can go ahead and choose from your contact and then simply call the second person. And just like that, after the second person answers, you can simply tap on Merge Call. Now, both people are on the line with you at the same time. That's your three-way call. From here, you can tap Private to speak to one caller separately, tap End to hang up on just one person while keeping the other on the call, or tap End Call to hang up on everyone. And that's it. That is how you can make a three-way call on iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.